Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we go to Kingston and catch a train. Where we catch some CSX, including the 1967, the Seaboard Coastline Heritage. No, or is it? Yes, Seaboard Coastline. Before we do, on the 14th, I saw a manifest. We only caught the tail end, but I did get its engines on Dalton. Here's that footage along with the Dalton footage, though it is nothing worth noting, so if you want to skip this, you can. Alright, we got a manifest here. We missed the whole thing. We missed the engines, but here's this manifest if my phone can focus on the train and not the water droplets. Yeah, we missed him, so alright. Yeah. I'll get his power on either Dalton or Austell. Alright, now to the trains from Kingston. Roll the footage. E905, 1967 leading. Nice. The DPU is a flared MAC. I think it was 4746. I forget. I think that was its number though. It was a 4700 series. Here it is. My first non-heritage or non-special flared MAC. 4746. Nice. Was there even a point to the DPU then? There goes E905. Nice. Intermodal. That train sounds like he's hauling. Oh, here he is. He's here. Both units are fresh. $74.22 and $52.34. Nice. I do not know his symbol, but nice. Dumbass. Dumbass. I swear to God. 3079 and 955. That dumbass right there. Look at him. Going around the gates when there's a frickin' train. There was another car just before him that went around the gates, but I didn't record. Brother, you see the train right there, and you still go around the gate. Sorry, I'm gonna rant. He was lucky the train's going slow. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. And that's what I consider a stupid game. When the gates are down, you're supposed to do this little neat thing called stop. Did you know when the crossing gates are down, that when they're blinky, that means stop? Yeah, neat fact. I know, crazy. M585, if you're wondering. M585 is the train symbol. The train before was I-154. So my scanner's dead, so I'm getting all this from Andrew. I'm here with him, so I'm getting all this info from him because my scanner died. M580. Nice.